What's the meaning of apology? Apology. Apology.
Apology. Apology. An apology is an expression of remorse or regret for a wrongdoing or offense. It involves acknowledging the harm caused and accepting responsibility for one's actions. The purpose of an apology is to seek forgiveness and repair any damage caused by the wrongdoing. It can help to rebuild trust, restore relationships, and provide closure for those affected. A sincere apology can be a powerful tool for resolving conflicts and improving communication between individuals or groups.